The vast majority of equipment that makes its way into hospitals and clinics in the developing world comes donated from the wealthier countries like the United States and Western Europe. And while those donations are well intended, the equipment almost never arrives with a user manual or repair guide.
The problem is that the technicians within these hospitals and clinics don't always know how to use these equipment, or if it breaks, they don't know how to fix it. So a lot of times these devices end up just going unused.
So imagine having access to the technology that you need to save someone's life, but not knowing how to use it. SolarSPELL's Biomedical Engineering Technician Library is unique because it is the most targeted library that we have so far in terms of content. And it's really responding to a true need from the field.
The BMET library features user and service manuals for medical devices that are donated to different clinics in resource-constrained countries.
These manuals will be offline, open access, and accessible without internet. So when there is a problem, it would no longer be due to the equipment not being used because there was no user or service manual to repair it. Instead, the equipment would be used more often and more effectively.
We want to implement the BMET library in hospitals abroad.
In areas where there's lack of electricity and lack of internet, it will provide access to manuals that technicians may not otherwise have access to.
Theoretically, this library could be applicable to any healthcare clinic or hospital around the world that has limited resources.
One of the biggest goals of the BMET library is to work closely with the community and the clinic.
The SolarSPELL library is never finished, and in this case it means we'll continue to add more and more biomedical equipment manuals to our library.
To make sure that our library grows with the clinic.
Even this global pandemic, COVID-19, has laid bare the need for people to know how to fix equipment like ventilators. The potential reach of this biomedical engineering technician library is actually global. It's not just the developing world, it's also right here at home.
These manuals that we upload onto the library are going to be in the hands of different technicians around the world.
We'll be working side by side with the biomedical engineering technicians as they bring the SolarSPELL's to the clinics and hospitals where they work.
I believe that healthcare is a human right.
It's not just about the doctors and nurses, but also the resources you have available to you.
If you give people access to information, you basically empower them to overcome a lot of obstacles that they face.
One PDF can save thousands of lives.